Capital One does not really tell people this, but you can actually get a free credit card upgrade without ever applying for it or doing any hard inquiry pull. First way you can essentially do this is by them literally just offering you a free credit card upgrade just for good behavior. Let's hop straight into the email that Capital One actually sent me. It says, Marcus, to show our appreciation, we're offering you an upgrade. And then if you scroll down a little more, inside of it says, to show we value your business, we'd like to offer this credit card upgrade. You can swap your current card for a new one and refresh how you earn. No credit check, no application, just claim your offer by June 22nd, 2025. So they do have like a little timeline on it, so that way they can kind of urge you to actually do it. But yeah, I'm gonna walk you guys straight through this. So what I'm gonna do is just simply hit see offer details. I'm gonna have my editor blur out this, but I'm gonna log into my account, sign in, boom, loading. All right, so this is how the login screen is gonna look. As soon as you click that link in the email, it's gonna take you directly to the page where it's gonna give you different credit cards that you can upgrade to. So as you see, this is my current card. It says, congratulations, you're eligible for a rewards upgrade. Your interest rate and credit limit will stay the same, number one. So make sure you guys are reading all these little different instructions they give you. It also says upgrading won't affect your credit score since you don't need to apply. So, like I said, you don't need to apply. There's no hard inquiry check or nothing. It also says you'll keep the same card number, payment date, and account settings. Then it says you'll have a new security number and expiration date, obviously because you're getting a new card. You can keep using your current credit card till your new one arrives. And then it also says you're not eligible for promotions or bonus offers that new card holders get, just because it's technically you're not getting a new card, you're just upgrading it. So you're not going to get the same benefits as if a new customer apply for the card. They'll usually give that person more benefits or like some sort of bonus when they apply. As you scroll down, you see these different offers. So they have the Venture One, Capital One credit card right here, the first one. The second option is they give me the Venture, and then also they give me the Saver. What you can also do is do a little drop down right here and just kind of compare the different credit card options they do give you. I already know which one I'm gonna upgrade to. It's gonna basically be the Saver Capital One, but this one could be really good. Like if you're a traveler, this one you can definitely earn some miles for every dollar spent. There's zero annual fee. The only thing with this one is this one does come with the $95 annual fee, which is the Venture. This one I'm not gonna upgrade it to. I don't see the point of it, but as you see right here, the Saver, and I've also made another video on this card too, so watch that one. I'll probably even put it in the description. This is actually one of the cards I put in my other video for, the top 5 credit cards to have in 2025, just because this one, you literally get so much benefit for it and there's zero annual fees. Comparing this Saver one to all these other credit cards, you can see right here, right off the bat, you get 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery store, plus 1% on all of the purchases. This card, I'm gonna upgrade to it. All I'm gonna do is hit upgrade to Saver. It's gonna give me some details right here. It also has my credit limit. My credit limit is 6,500. So it's gonna stay the same basically. And then I hit agree, confirm upgrade. And then from there it's just loading, boom. So we just upgraded the card. And like I said, this is gonna be the first way to do it. It's basically just them literally giving you the free upgrade for just good behavior. I've never had any late payments on this card. I've always kept a small balance, and I never made sure I used it for maxing out it and different little things that you don't want to do. So it says, welcome to Saver. You upgraded your card. It may take 2 to 3 business days to start earning rewards. You can still use your current card while you wait for your new one to arrive. Boom. It's that easy. So I'm going to click out of that. And then you're also going to get a congrats screen. It says, congrats, you've completed your rewards upgrade. Then it's literally just going to repeat the same thing we did. That's literally the first way to do it. Just have good spending behavior. The next one I'm going to talk about is a little secret hack that I was doing research on. We're going to hop into that one next. Now, the second way that you can actually do a free credit card upgrade to your Capital One card is going to be by using this secret link that's provided by Capital One. And no, this is not no affiliate link to me at all. It's literally a legitimate Capital One link, but they just do not openly promote it to the public. So like I said, guys, I had to do so much digging and research to be able to get access to this link and find it. I put it in the description below. I'm gonna even show you guys that this link is actually working till this moment. That way you guys can actually see how it works in real time. I'm about to show you guys firsthand on how the secret link works in real time. With the secret link, like I said, I'm gonna put it in the description below. Once you click it, it's gonna take you to this login screen for Capital One, and we're just gonna go through the same process, kind of similar to what we did the first one. I'm gonna log into my account, sign in. As you see from the upgraded one, they already have my saver one that I upgraded to listed first. So let's try to upgrade my Quicksilver Capital One. So I'm gonna hit that, choose this account, boom. And then literally how you guys see right here, this is how it's gonna look. With that secret link, like this actually does work. It's just Capital One doesn't openly promote it to the public. I don't know why, it's just you have to do kind of like research on this, but that's another reason why you guys are liking this video and also you're subscribing, so make sure to subscribe. But yeah, so same process. Literally this one gives me the option for the Venture One, 0 annual fee, and I'm just gonna upgrade to it just so that way I can do it for the video. I barely even use this Capital One anyways, but so I'm gonna hit upgrade to Venture One. I agree to the terms, 0 annual fee. This one has a $3,000 credit limit. And like I said, I barely use this one, and I'm gonna hit confirm upgrade. Boom. It's literally that easy, guys. Just hit that link. It's gonna take you to this page, and then it says, welcome to Venture One. You upgraded your card. And then just like last time, it may take 2 to 3 business days to start earning rewards, whatever. So this is the second way that you guys can actually be able to upgrade your credit card with Capital One, with literally no hard inquiry check or even having to really do any hard work at all. So this is a second way to do it. So guys, just as a quick recap real quick, the first way that you can essentially get a free credit card upgrade with Capital One without doing any hard inquiry check is gonna basically be good spending behavior. No late payments, no mess ups with Capital One, because they do wanna have a good partnership with you. They need your business. That's why you wanna make sure you don't mess up with any of these credit cards, because as you've seen with me, they'll send you an email, they'll offer you upgrades, give you different options for the cards that you want to choose that best fit your lifestyle. So that's number one. The second way, as a recap, is going to be the special link that I provided you guys with. Take advantage of it. You know, I'm really hooking you guys up with this. It's not very public with this link, but like I said, I did my research, I did my digging, I found it for you guys, and I hooked you up. So click that link, see if you have any offers available, because this is going to be a good way that you can actually get a free credit card upgrade to your Capital One without doing pretty much any hard work at all. If you guys found this video helpful, please give me a like and also subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future videos similar to this one. That's all I have for now, guys. See you on the next video, and see you soon.